Let's face it, nobody wants to waste their Google Ads budget on clicks that aren't going to lead to sales, whether it be from spam or competitors or even employees at your company accidentally clicking on your ads. There are a lot of reasons why you might want to add IP exclusions. So let's take a quick look at how to exclude different IP addresses in Google Ads at both the account level and the campaign level. So if we want to add it at the account level, first you'll log into Google Ads, then under admin, click on account settings here. You should see then a drop down where it says IP exclusions here. From here, we can add in whatever IP addresses we wish to exclude. Now, there are some different formats that we can use as well. You can see right here it says to indicate a set of addresses, replace the last 3 digits with an asterisk. So let's say, we have a couple of offices in the same area, or I mean, there might be different reasons why you want to exclude a whole set of IP addresses, in which case you can add an asterisk at the end. Asterisk. I think I've been saying that wrong my whole life. Anyways, if you add that at the end, it'll allow you to block off a whole bunch of IPs. In most cases, you're just going to do individual IPs. This is a dummy. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not a real IP address, obviously. But maybe you want to block your own IP address in the event that you have an office and you're noticing that your employees keep clicking on your Google Ads for whatever reason, and it's costing you a bunch of money for no benefit. You can put your own IP address in here, or your office IP address, or whatever. Maybe you have some competitors and you just so happen to have figured out that they've been clicking on your ads periodically to waste your budget. You can add their IPs in here, click save, and that will exclude those IPs from seeing your ads, right? That's how we would do it at the account level. Now, if we come over here to campaigns, under campaigns, I have one set here. If I click on the settings option, then I can scroll down to IP exclusions here and click the little drop down, and it's the exact same thing. We can essentially put that same IP address in at the campaign level if we wish, click save, and we can add as many of these as we want theoretically and exclude those people's IPs from being able to see our ads when they do a search on Google. So very, very helpful in excluding bot traffic, spam traffic, things of that nature. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about in terms of excluding IP addresses on Google Ads, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there. Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies and different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here, and really just see that this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.